Welcome to the North Tahoe High School Counseling Naviance tutorial series. Hello and welcome to the first of several short video tutorials on the college and career planning tool called Naviance Family Connection. Naviance Family Connection is provided at both TTUSD district high schools thanks to a partnership with Excellence in Education. My name is Jeff Freeman, and I'm one of the high school counselors here at North Tahoe High School, and I currently work with students in grades 10, 11, and 12. To access your Naviance Family Connection tool, the easiest way to do so is by heading to the North Tahoe High School website. If you type into your address bar nths.ttusd.org, or a simple Google search for North Tahoe High School will lead you to our homepage, which you're seeing here. On the homepage, direct your attention to the Programs menu at the top. If you're on a mobile device, there's a hamburger menu, which you should be able to expand to find this menu item. Look down and find School Counseling. Click on that link, and you'll open up our school counseling website. If you have not taken a little bit of time to explore both the North Tahoe High School and the school counseling websites, I encourage you to do so, as there's a lot of information available. There are two places to find the link to log into your Naviance Family Connection account via the North Tahoe High School counseling website. The first and likely easiest is under the Quick Links menu at the top. If you hover over that item, it will pop down a menu, and you can see here, the second menu item here says Naviance. Click on that and it will open up a new menu. If you scroll down also, there's a link here as well in case you forget where to find it under the Quick Links menu. If we click on that, I'll open that and I'll show you a new menu item. If what you're seeing here is the login page. Students, you have a login item, which is typically your school email address without the @ttusd.org at the end. So it's just your first initials and a 4-digit number associated with your student ID. Your password is provided to you at the beginning of your 9th grade year, and it's asked that you change that password. So it's something that you actually create. Parents, you also have access to a Naviance Family Connection account. Simply ask your school counselor if you do not have one yet, and we'll be happy to make sure that you have all the credentials you need to log in and utilize this program similar to what your student can. We do not have the ability to automatically create and distribute accounts. However, we do have the ability to create an account for you if you wish. Please stay tuned for additional updates and videos in this playlist for new tools and ways to use Naviance at home for both parents and students. Thanks for watching.